Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view all activities that's going on within your Trello account. Now, there's two ways how you can easily quickly check your activities. If you're in a Trello board or particular workspace, you can simply click the tree that's on the upper right hand side and click an activity. And you can see all of those activities here for this specific board or for this specific workspace, right? You can also see the comments and all these things too. But what if you want to see everything, right? In order to view that, you want to click the Trello logo on the uppermost left hand side, and this is going to quickly load for you your Trello boards. That's going to show by default, which is the first thing on the left hand side. But you want to click on home. So there are three options here: board, templates, and home. So if you click on home, guys, you can find everything. So all the activities going on here, you can see for different days, what was done, what was created, items, all of those good stuff here, guys, you can find, and you can even quickly reply to some of these things here. And this is called your home dashboard, let's put it like that, or your home activity board, and you can find all of those activities and so forth here. Another nice part that you can also look at is a section called highlights. So if you look under the workspace, you can find an option here for this particular workspace. You can click on highlight, you can click on highlights, and you can see all of those highlights that you can see here as well. So there's a little bit more collapsed section here that you can see for this particular section here. So you can click on the highlights to find a little bit more smaller section to this, or just simple click on home, which brings you into every single details here that you can see. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.